guys, welcome back to Lindy Vanna. We've just come into the forest and found this gorgeous spot. Gabi researched it on the way here. And what's it called? Hatchet Pond. And it's just stunning. We've not really been over this side of the forest much. And yeah, we're looking forward to go and have a walk, have an explore. But we're just going to change our shoes into our hiking boots, I think. And then, yeah, make our way. You found the shoes then?
For the shoes, my shoes, your shoes,
Oh,
socks,
good.
check.
Socks. I wonder how clean they are.
Well,
How long they've been in there. Are they a bit smelly?
they've rested.
They've rested. Okay, so that means they're clean.
Yeah, rested socks.
We're going to take a walk around here. There's lots of wild horses around and stuff. There's another camper van just next to us. Super nice transporter. Those wheels are amazing. But for now, we're going to change our shoes and go for a walk. This is my new Amazon purchase. Cost me £12. It's got a 2-litre water bladder in it.
Water bladder.
Do you need anything else from the van?
Nah. Off we go.
Let's go. Yeah, so as we said, this is Hatchet Pond, and there's many ponds and lakes all over the New Forest. The New Forest is huge, it's about 200 square miles, and no matter where you go in the forest, you'll always find these beautiful, picturesque, postcard-like landscapes. It's just stunning. There's lots of wild animals in the New Forest as well. So there's wild cows, horses, wild boar, deer. There's many different species of different animal, and it's just gorgeous to come and witness them all enjoying the nature along with the humans and coexisting like it should be, really.
And we're back. How was the walk?
Yeah, it was nice. It was lovely. It was such a nice lake, and I totally understand why it's called Hatchet Lake,
Oh yeah.
because it's shaped like a hatchet. But yeah, it was lovely. Nice little spot for the evening. Now I think we'll make some soup.
Yeah, the only thing,
Hmm.
I think I forgot to take the pot
The pot.
to make the soup in.
Oh. Okay.
I don't know.
Can we put the can on the hob?
Can we put the can on the hob? It's a bit dangerous.
Maybe. Oh, we could do it in the kettle and then clean the kettle afterwards.
Yeah. Let's give it a go.
Let's do that. Okay. I'm going to change my shoes.
I'm going to change my shoes too. Got a little box in there now, so it fits really well, and it comes out like that.
You sounded a bit Swedish then.
Yeah.
It fits really well.
It fits really well in that. So this is where we're going to keep our dry food when we're travelling. And for now, we've got our soup utensils. And let's get it all out. Here we go.
Check out these curtains. Oh, very nice indeed.
We've got some bread that Sam made today. Got some bowls. And we've got the soup.
Yay.
And it's done. We don't need the can opener.
Oh, that's a nice bag. Where's that bag from?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Our lovely Jack's bag, jumping in the seaside. This is our other passion apart from van life, Lindy hopping. So, are we really making the soup in the kettle?
Yes.
So we got the soup and we got the kettle, and this is gonna happen. Soup in a kettle. If anyone ever wondered, can you make soup in a kettle? We're gonna test it.
We're going to answer that question now.
Van life emergency. No pot for the soup. Kettle to the rescue. Okay, so the soup has boiled in the kettle. And the big moment. Looks lovely. It's okay.
It's so lumpy.
Van life at its best. Soup and la bready. I want to hear your opinion. How's the soup from the kettle taste?
It's good. Like it.
Good soup?
Very good soup.
Okay, I'm gonna have some soup too.
Do it.
So, we just had the soup from the kettle and it was fine. The soup was just fine, wasn't it?
It was very yummy. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, the bread was good, the soup was good, the walk was good. Yeah, just a nice evening in the van.
We had one of the New Forest rangers come to the van and request us not to stay here overnight, which is fair enough.
Yeah, but they were really friendly.
Yeah, he was, and I think he was Scandinavian actually.
Yeah, he had a bit of a Swedish twang.
Bit of a twang. He was tall and blonde, so. But
we were close to offering him some soup, but then we thought maybe it's a bit much.
Yeah. Would you like some soup from our kettle? But no, he was really fair, and obviously we're not staying here overnight. I don't think you're actually allowed to stay anywhere in the New Forest overnight wild camping.
No.
And I think the rangers do go around and move you on and stuff. There's 10 official New Forest campsites in the New Forest, I think. And then there's a bunch of private campsites that you can go to as well.
Yeah.
So there's not really any need for wild camping unless you're self-sufficient and you don't want to pay. But I think, you know, places like this, such a beautiful national park,
Yeah.
I don't mind paying, you know, however much it costs to stay for a couple of nights.
They should definitely be protected. I mean, they're so beautiful, and there are so many people who take it for granted. Like, even on our walk, we keep seeing rubbish,
Trash everywhere and
just
stuff.
left behind, and it's really, really sad. So, like, I also really don't mind people who look after these places.
And especially if you're a tourist and you're coming to the New Forest to enjoy it, and you're coming in a camper van, and if you're eating your own food and everything, then paying for camping is the only way that you're going to be contributing to the economy as well here, which is really important. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It was a bit of a simple one, but it was a really nice walk to go around Hatchet Pond.
We can pop a map on and show you the shape of it, because I think that's where the name comes from.
Keep safe, and we'll see you in the next video.
Over and out.